Hey guys, welcome to my channel Knowledge Live. Guys, today in this video we'll have some practice sessions, and in these sessions I will show you how to make a sketch fully defined. So you can see here in your screen we have two sketch. So we will draw this. This is very easy and basics. This is for your fast class, you can think like that. So first look at the sketches. You can see here both the sketches are symmetric. So whenever you are getting any kind of sketch, you have to analyze yourself, like how you can start it so that it will be very easy to make it fully defined. So let's open a sketch. Click on the new, select part. Just here define the unit. I'll choose here millimeter, gram second. Select a plane. I'll choose here font plane. Now we'll start the first one. Take a circle. I'll be giving here dimensions. So there they have given here radius 15, so I'll give there 30. So if we let by default for circle the dimension will come in terms of diameter. We will trim it later, so we'll convert it into arc. So you can see here we can change it into radius also. Next I'll take a line, just draw the shape as it is. Later we will give the dimensions. Just make it like this. I'll convert this line into construction geometry. Just click on the line and select here construction geometry. Now I will be giving the dimension one by one. So you can see here I'll give this dimension from here to, already I have told you how to give the dimension, so you can check that video. So here the value is given 90, and the second is I'll be giving here height from here to here. This is 70. Next this dimension from here to here 10. This dimension from here to here 40. And this dimension, this is 50. Now you can see here your sketch is almost fully defined, but you have to give one more dimension from here to here, that is 60. Now you can see whatever we have done, that is fully defined. So now we will be using the mirror command because it's a symmetric object. So go to the mirror. So what are the entities you want to create mirror? So I'll select this and this lines, and here mirror about, select the line of symmetricity. Just go with this. Now we have to trim this part. So you can see here, okay, still this part is pending. You can do one thing, you can draw one circle still and just trim this part. So I'll be giving the radius for the circle is 20, and this center and this center. See here what is happening. So it's getting shifted. So instead of giving the dimensions, we can give the relation. This point and this circle center has to be vertical. Now you can see here it's vertical, then also it's not getting fully defined. So for that what you need to do, this and this I will be giving relations horizontal. Now you can see your sketch is getting fully defined. So let's move for the next one. So I'll close this. Take a plane. Now you can see here this is also one symmetric object. So same way I will start from this center. I will draw the half and then I will do the mirror. So take a circle and give the dimension for that circle. So the circle that is actually arc we have done here, circle. So give the dimensions 26 and just convert into radius dimension from here itself. Next, take a line and draw the shape as it is. Now I will take the line from here. So start from this point. So just make a shape like as it is in your drawing. Later we'll give the dimension. This is quite like this. Like this. Like this. Somewhat like this. From like this and like this. So I will just convert this line into construction geometry, and now I will be giving the dimension one by one. So the first dimension that I want to give is, that is overall height, which is 120. So from here to here is 120. From here to here is 90, and this is 20. Next, we will be giving all the horizontal dimensions. So I'll start from this center and just hold Ctrl key and click on this point. This dimension is 70. So give there 70 and click on this point. This dimension is 92. And this dimension is 104. And this dimension is 158. And this dimension is 26. So most of the part already fully defined, and this part is not fully defined because we need to give one more dimension from here to here, this vertical dimensions, which is 23. Now you can see here your sketch got fully defined. Now I will be going for the command here, mirror. So click on the mirror. So select which are the lines you want to create mirror, then line of symmetricity is this. Just go with the OK. Now we need to trim this upper part. Just click on the trim. So now you can see here, guys, this is your sketch, and the sketch is already fully defined. I didn't add here any extra relations and all, so you can make the sketches like this very easily. So guys, hope you have enjoyed the tutorials. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.